Hello friends, today we are going to see how to create a Selenium test project. There are some prerequisites which we need to install. One is JDK, so you need to download JDK latest version and install it. Okay, I have JDK 1.8 installed on my machine. Okay, you also need Eclipse. So currently I'm using Eclipse Neon. Okay, and after extracting the Eclipse into a particular folder, you need to create a workspace. Okay, the other thing which you need is a WebDriver and a Selenium library. So to download that, you need to go to seleniumhq.org. Okay, and you need to go to download section, and then the first thing you need to download is the Selenium client. You need to go to this section, Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. And then since we are going to build a test case using Java, you need to download the Java client version. Okay, so click on download to download it, and then the next thing you need to download is you need to have a web driver. The one which we are going to use is Google Chrome. So I need to download the Chrome driver from here. So you need to click on latest link, and then you need to download the Chrome driver. So I have both of them downloaded on my desktop. Okay, so I have Chrome driver here and I have Selenium Java downloaded here. Okay, first thing is you need to open up Eclipse. So the current one which I'm using is Eclipse Neon. Okay, the first thing is you need to create a new project, new Java project. So click on File, New, and then select Project, and then you select the Java project. Click on Next. I'll give some name here. So I will give it as Google Search Test. Okay, and you need to select the JRE which you are going to use. Currently I have installed JRE 1.8. That is the reason I have selected JRE 1.8 here, and then click on next and finish. It will create a source folder and it will include the system libraries here. Click on new and then add a class. So this class will be say Google search. Okay, I will also enable this public static void main because that is the one that is the entry point for this particular program, right? So I need to enable this and then click on finish. Okay, so this is the class which gets created once I create a new class. Okay, before I do anything else here, I need to go and extract these libraries. Okay, and Chrome driver. So I have created one a folder called Selenium setup, and inside that I have created a driver folder and library folder. Into this library, I will extract all the libraries. Okay, and then I go back to Selenium setup, and then I go to driver. So this is where I put in the web driver. I will extract this web driver, Chrome driver, into this driver folder. Okay, so now the entire setup is done. So what do I have currently? I have created a folder called Selenium setup, and inside that folder I have two other folders. One is driver, the other one is library. So I have extracted the Chrome driver into this driver folder, and I have extracted these libraries into this library folder. Once this is done, so you need to go back and go to this project, whatever the project which you have created newly, and then you need to add those libraries in here. Okay, to add those libraries, you need to right click on this Google search project, go to properties, okay, Java build path, and click on libraries. Okay, so now you need to click on add external jars. Okay, and where are my jars now? My jars are in this library folder. So I will select this, and then I will select this client combined jar. I will add it, and then I need to add some other libraries also. So I will add all these libraries into this particular project, and then click on OK. Now we need to start coding it. Okay, all that setup is done. So we need to create a public variable, public static string path, which holds the driver path. Where is my driver located? My driver is located in this particular folder. So please ensure that it is forward slash rather than a backward slash. Okay, at the end also I will give a forward slash. Okay, after this I need to define an object of WebDriver also. So to do that, I will also have okay WebDriver driver. You can see that as soon as I added this WebDriver driver, so it has imported the needed library from the referenced libraries. Okay, so here we have inside this client combined jar, we have org, OpenQA, Selenium, and then for Chrome driver and Firefox driver, so we have all the class libraries. Okay, so from here it has imported this particular WebDriver. Add some code here, which will do. Okay, first thing is we need to open the browser. Okay, so for Chrome, before you open the driver, you need to set some properties. Property for Chrome driver. Okay, and then open the browser, and then set the URL, and then perform the test. Okay, so these are the 4 steps which we are going to do. Okay, the first thing is you need to set the property for Chrome driver. So to do that, we use system dot set property set property. So the key here is WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, and the value will be your the location of the Chrome driver, which is driver path driver path plus, what is the name of the driver? Chrome driver.exe. Okay, so Chrome driver.exe. Okay, so this is the property which we have set, which says, okay, where is my Chrome driver located? Okay, so once this is done, we will create an object of Chrome driver. So driver is equal to new of Chrome driver. So here we have created an object of Chrome driver, and we will assign it to the driver which is of type WebDriver. Okay, and then driver dot get, okay, http colon slash slash www dot google dot co dot in. Okay, so this is to launch the browser, and then set the URL. Okay, so what we will do is we will do a simple operation fast, which is we'll click on Gmail link. Once you open google.co.in, you have a Gmail link on the top right hand corner, so we will click on that. Okay, click on Gmail link. I'll type in google.co.in, so press F12. Okay, I will go to select an element on this page to inspect. I will click on Gmail. Okay, I have some properties here. I will use the class. Okay, so now I will choose web element. Okay, it is equal to driver dot find element, okay, by dot class name. What is the class name here? GB underscore P. Okay, so we have some red squiggle here, so we will resolve this. I need to import this web element. Okay, once I import this one, so it's gone. So now what we need to do is we need to click on this Gmail link. So Gmail link. So link element dot click. Okay, so finally what we need to do is we need to close the browser and quit the driver. How do we do it? Driver dot. Okay, so this is our sample test case. Let us run this and see what happens. Okay, so now we need to save this first. Right click on this, run as Java application. There you go, it is opening now. It has opened the browser now, and it is trying to get that URL, which is www.google.co.in. Once we have that, it will go and click on Gmail. Okay, it clicked on Gmail and then it quit. This is a video on how to create a simple test case using Selenium API. Okay, thanks for watching.